Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Descript Captioning tools effectively, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Descript website. Once there, locate the Sign Up button on the home page. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. If you already have an account, simply click the Login button. After logging in, go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, find the Pricing section. Click on Pricing to view the subscription options available. Review the different plans and select the one that fits your needs. Once you've selected a plan, click on the Get Started button. Proceed to enter your payment information as prompted. After entering your payment details, confirm your subscription. Look for the captioning tools within your Descript interface. Click on the captioning tool to access its features. You can now upload videos to start using the captioning tools. Follow the prompts to upload your desired video file. After uploading, choose your captioning settings as needed. Make sure to save your preferences before proceeding. Your video will now be processed for captioning. Once complete, review the captions for accuracy. Make any necessary edits to enhance clarity and timing. Finally, export your video with the captions embedded. You are now ready to utilize Descript's captioning tools effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.